So we all know that Binance was sued by the SEC, and right now they have filed a motion to dismiss charges brought against them by the regulatory body, the SEC. And they had some things to say about the SEC and crypto. We're going to talk about all of those things in this video. There are some elements here that also comes back to XRP, and XRP sales, of course, recently back in July did not constitute security transactions. And this was the latest motion seeking to leverage a recent court ruling in Ripple's favor. Could help Binance here, at least in their eyes. And the reference to Ripple's court ruling comes within a section where Binance, in its defense, argues that the SEC's reliance on past initial coin offerings cases are misplaced. Binance points out several cases in which courts left open the possibility that tokens sold by investors did not constitute security transactions. The exchange referenced SEC lawsuits against projects such as Telegram, Kin, Terra, and Library. However, now Binance particularly references Ripple's case handled by Judge Torres as the only court to address transactions that are those transactions that allegedly occurred on the Binance US platform. But Binance then alluded to the court finding that secondary market XRP sales were not investment contracts. Given such a ruling, Binance is claiming that crypto trading on its platform could not be classified by the SEC as security transactions. So Binance is trying to leverage what happened here with Ripple to basically say, hey, you've got to throw this thing out with the bathwater. This is not going to go well. Of course, beyond tapping into Ripple's win, Binance also strongly argues that the SEC's lawsuit represents a complete overreach. The filing quotes comments from the SEC chairman Gary Gensler back in May 2021, in which he conceded that the crypto scene did not have a regulatory framework for the SEC or the CFTC to properly oversee the industry. Since the SEC's chair's concession, Congress has not adopted new legislation to expand the SEC's authority in the digital asset space. Essentially, nothing has changed. The filing also notes that the SEC is trying to achieve by litigation what it lacks by legislation, thus going beyond the regulatory powers Congress has granted it. It remains to be seen whether the court applies Ripple's court ruling here in this case, which the SEC has already appealed to Binance's ongoing lawsuit. However, the latest development underlines the role of Precedent in the legislative field and how Ripple's win could potentially be leveraged to provide further regulatory clarity to the entire United States cryptocurrency industry. As we said before, this will have ripple effects on the entire industry, the old Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, and there's going to be a lot more that comes down the pipeline after all of the dust settles. We'll be right here keeping tabs on everything. Make sure you guys are locked in by subscribing to the channel. Links down below. Check out everything. I've got my XT Algo. That's a new company I started. It's a trading indicator. If you're interested in that, check it out. We've got a great discount code going on right now. And enjoy your Friday. We'll see you in the next video. Hang in there. It's a rough market right now. The market's pretty flat. Not much happening. Hang in there. Things will turn. And we'll be back with more. Appreciate you guys. Bye.